In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Essential Sound panel to add Adobe Stock music to your edit in Premiere. When your edit is ready to add some music, go ahead and open up the Essential Sound panel. You can do this by going to the Window menu under Essential Sound, or you can also choose the Audio workspace. Go to the Browse tab, and under the Browse tab you will see Adobe Stock, where we have over 36,000 files that you can search and choose from for this video. If you twirl down moods, you'll be able to see all the different types of moods that are supported here, and you can choose different moods, and as you select them, it will begin thinning out the different selections that you have available to you. So let's choose something like epic and maybe festive and inspiring. And you'll see that it's gone from 36,000 down to 5,000. Again, we can also add genres if we want to, and we can even filter by tempo, by duration, and whether or not any of these have vocals. Let's do no vocals here, and you can see that we have options to choose specifically an epidemic sound or gemendo. Once I have that, you'll notice that we have a button down here called Timeline Sync. So wherever your cursor is placed, once I begin playing back the music like this, hitting the play button right here for background ambient. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel. If I like that, I can simply click and drag this file right into the timeline just like that, which will create a low bitrate preview for me, which we can then use in the videos that you're going to submit for the daily challenge, just like this. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel, Just Play Music. You can see I've adjusted the volume here with the audio slider. Of course, you can also use some of the other functions of Essential Sound to do things like ducking. And if you wanted to license this track, you could simply right-click on it and choose License. And that is using Essential Sound Adobe Stock Audio with your edit in Premiere.